Federations this morning met the Parliamentary Committee on Sports over the inadequate funding. The Federation wants members of Parliament to intervene before the situation is out of hand.
Now, when asked, when we ask and we really camp at the ministry and we spend lots of time, our CEO can spend upwards of 3 days a week, 8 to 5, asking when the funds will be released. We don't get an answer. Obviously, we have consulted with the other federations and we have found that this problem is beyond just the Kenya Rugby Union. The other federations are in the same boat, and of course they will speak for themselves. But we would really like to know where the bottleneck is, because we are not giving our teams the best chance to succeed.
Our ministry has really to tell us whether what Mr. Opio is presenting to us on the challenges rugby is facing in Kenya is whether it's true, and what they really intend to do so that they finish this kind of cry that Kenyan players are facing outside there. Because we've been following, even the other time, we're seeing our girls, I don't know whether they were the volleyball girls, football girls, they were stranded somewhere, being fed by a friend, a Kenyan friend in South Africa. That to me is something very bad.